Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very different, super amazing, and incredibly delicious recipe that is loved by kids and adults alike. This snack is perfect for any event, party, lunchbox, or evening craving. And trust me, once you try this, it will become a family favorite. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. So let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the bread, 025 to 105. First, take some bread slices. Carefully cut off the edges of each slice to give them a neat and soft shape. This step helps the bread cook evenly and makes the final snack look more professional. Once done, place the bread slices on a tray. Step 2. Adding the chicken filling, 105 to 145. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, chicken filling. Spread the chicken filling evenly over each bread slice. Make sure the filling covers the bread nicely so every bite is full of flavor. This filling is mild, tasty, and perfect even for kids. Step 3. Cheese and optional toppings, 145 to 230. Next, add cheese on top, according to your taste. If you love extra cheese, feel free to add more, because cheese makes everything better. You can also add optional toppings like sweet corn, olives, or vegetables if you like. After adding everything, gently press it and let it rest for a few minutes. Step 4. Baking time, 230 to 305. Now place the prepared bread in a preheated oven. Bake it for 15 minutes or until the cheese melts perfectly and turns slightly golden. Your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing at this point. Final result and outro, 305 to 340. And look at that. Our cheesy chicken bread snack is ready. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and loaded with flavor. This recipe is perfect for kids' lunchboxes, parties, family gatherings, or quick snacks. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes. I'll see you in the